If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and be a part of the journey with GoLogica and stay connected with the latest videos.
This to be, it should be like every person who either fresher or 10 years or 12 years, every interviewer asks you how data get stored in Adobe Analytics. And if you will tell this very clearly to him, so first step one, what is step one?
When visitors send a request towards browser, the request will head to the web browser, web server.
Okay. And how we request to the web server?
By URL, by typing URL.
Typing the URL of the website.
Yes. So when if someone will ask you, you can say, as soon as we will type a URL, a request will be sent to web server.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try to rephrase it in that way that it should not look like you you have done that ratification, means you have not just learned it. Okay, give it your own touch. Okay.
Yeah.
What is second what is second step?
The web servers sends back to the web page along with the embedded Java code, JavaScript tracking code to the end user device.
Okay, and what that JavaScript tracking code does?
It does no. It will shows like it plays the header. It placed in the header header section of the websites.
What was my question? What was my question, Rajshekhar?
The JavaScript. Your question like how no what JavaScript does?
My question what was that embedded JavaScript does?
It will display the login page, right?
No. See. Okay. Let's. So what was my last line? What was my last line on where I ended?
Cookies. We were talking about cookies. So
Cookies.
And who will set the cookies?
The JavaScript code should set the cookies, right?
Yes. Okay. So again, everyone, please write. Please note it down your notebook. Okay. Please ask me if you are confused. Okay. Please ask me if you are confused. Now, step one. A visitor sends a request to web server. A visitor sends a request to web server. Please send me the web page. The web page sends the the web server sends the web page along with embedded JavaScript tracking code. Along with embedded JavaScript tracking code. We all know from where we what is a JavaScript embedded JavaScript tracking code now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this embedded JavaScript code will set a persistent cookie in your machine, which will further collect all the data. Now, cookie is called as key value pair, and cookie is used to, first of all, give you a unique identification. Okay. So until unless you will clear the cookie, until unless you will not clear the cookie from the browser, you will be identified by whatever number or ID it will be generated by that particular cookie. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, cookie, as soon as cookie will set all the things, it will automatically give you an ID. Okay, that this is our customer number 10. Okay, I'm just giving a generic example. Okay, hypothetical example on the. So as soon as web server come to here, JavaScript sets a persistent cookie, it will collect all the data, like it will collect page name, what is the local time, what is country, whatever data you have passed on that particular page. Okay, and with along that cookie will store all the data. And in the third step, we will further request to analytics server with the collected data for a 2 into 2 transparent pixel. Don't go on the words. The most important data, the words are request to analytical server with collected data. So basically, in the steps 3, once the data is being stored, the data is being collected by embedded JavaScript code with the help of cookie. All your or customers data, whatever it will be stored or captured by the cookie with the help of so it will be captured in this tracking code with the help of cookie. Okay, and which is further sent to analytical server. This is tracking server is our analytical server. So request to analytics server with collected data for 2 into 2 transparent pixel. This 2 into 2 transparent pixel is nothing but just a token of acknowledgement what she want, that भैया आपके यहाँ request चला गया, data चला गया, if data चला गया, give me this token. Okay, give me that. Yes, I acknowledge acknowledgement that yeah, the thing, the data has been received. Okay, analytics. Now this step is called as, this thing is called as server call or image request or hit. Server call, image request or hit, also somewhere they called as web beacon. ये चारों, all the 4 things are same. A request to analytical server with collected data. So basically your data is sent to analytics server in this step. So what happens?
Sunit, that 2 into 2 transparent pixel means is a dimension, or
It is a token of acknowledgement. It is a very means it is a blink basically. If you say na 2 into 2 transparent pixel is nothing, is a blink. I can't show you with bare eyes. Because I don't know. I have also checked it for only once. If I'll get, so it's just a blink. Actually, a blink happens. Okay, so it is just a step, you can say. So it's like data by is received here, and then he will send a small blink to machine that yeah, we have received the data. For every request there is a
response?
response. So what you have requested with analytical server? What you have requested with analytical server?
Transparent pixel, the 2 into 2.
Yes. So once data will be
Yes,
received,
yes, Sunit, that's what I'm trying to say. See, we used to call the whatever we request to the analytical server, we can call it out the server call, image request, hit, and web beacons.
yes,
See, the 2 by 2 transparent pixel, it's nothing but the image. It's image, right?
yes, that's why it is called as image request also.
Okay.
2.2 transparent pixel is an image. So it's a small blink which will be done. Once you receive now, it will have, you will never see it by your own. Okay, it is part of the steps. Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay.
So just a part of acknowledgement. Yeah, कि भैया data मिल गया मुझे. I got the data. ठीक है? The analytics server responds with 2.2 transparent pixel. Now all the data will be there in your analytical server. Now analytical server push that data. Analytics server or analytical server pushes collected data into the report suite. Report suite is nothing but bucket from where we will fetch the report. We will come to that topic in future soon. And last step, user pull reports from the report suite as per their requirement. Understood? So again, I will come to website, write www.nyka.com. it will hit the Nika.com web server. Nika.com web server will send me the web page along with embedded JavaScript code. That JavaScript code will set a cookie on my what you say, on my browser, and then he will collect all my data, and further it will, that all the collected data will be sent as an image request to the analytical server, and the analytical server will return a 2x2 transparent pixel as an acknowledgement, and that particular the analytics server will further push all the data into the different report suite where as per your configurations, and then you can pull the reports from the report suite.
Where is the reports stored, or
Reports you create. Reports is stored in the report suites. So for every report suite you can create report, all the data, it's your journey, we will create it. Let's go step by step. Okay, this it should be like every person who either fresher or 10 years or 12 years, every interviewer asks you how data get stored in Adobe Analytics, and if you will tell this very clearly to him, he will for sure there's it raise your chances by 30 to 40% that you will be get hired.
okay,
Because still there are person in market who don't know how they, because they are just doing one kind of work without thinking of, without having a concept. See, everyone can create a report nowadays. Fifth student can create a report if you will tell you, if you we can guide them, but the concept are because of why they pay us. So
yeah,
this is a very important topic. This thing we should know what is difference between page view call and click call.